Hello and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will talk about alignment and distribution in Figma. First of all, I will apply the alignment options in a single object here. Then I will be applying the alignment options on multiple objects. Okay. Then I will be also telling you how you can use the distribution options here with multiple objects, and then some real applications also we'll see how we can actually implement this in our design. Okay, so first of all I'll click on this object and I'm going to click on this align left option. Okay, if I click on this is going to move the object at the left side of the frame. Okay, if I click on the align horizontal centers here. Okay, so this is going to move the object at the center of the frame horizontally. If I click on the right aligned option here, so this is going to move the object at the right of the frame, right side of the frame. Okay, so if I click on this top align, this is going to move the object at the top of the frame. Okay, just on one click. And then if I click on this this option is basically align vertical centers. So this is going to align the object in the center of the frame vertically. Okay, then I have this option here, align bottom. So if I click on this is going to move the object at the bottom of the frame. So now, for example, I want this object right at the center of the frame. So how am I going to do that? First of all, I click on the align horizontal centers. Okay, this option I'm going to click. So what this will do is align my object at the center for horizontally. Then I'm going to click on this align vertical centers. Okay, see how you can place objects right at the center. Okay, so now I'll show how you can use these options, like how the alignment work with multiple objects. For example, I'm going to click on this one. Okay, hold on Shift key, then select this object B and then also A. Okay, once these three objects are selected, now I'll click on this first option, that is align left. Okay, so here you see that object A and B is aligned at the left side with respect to C. Okay, not at the extreme left of the frame, but with respect to C. Okay, now if I click on uh, the align horizontal center, so you see that this object is not moving here. Okay, so here object A and B is moving at the center with respect to C. Then if I click on the align right option, so this is how it works. Okay, so object A and B is has moved with respect to C. Okay, then if I click on this align top option, okay, what this has done is moved object A and B at the top with respect to this object, that is object C. Now, for example, if I click on the vertical centers, okay, the vertical centers option here. So what this has done is this has taken object B as the parent object here. Okay, and then has moved this object C and A in the center. Okay, now if I click on the align bottom option, okay, now in this case, this object A is at the bottom, right? So this object A will be considered as the parent object, and this object B and C will move at the bottom. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Now I will show you how you can implement, how you can use these options. Okay, distribute vertical spacing, distribute horizontal spacing. Okay, So for example, if we have, you know, multiple objects placed vertically, okay, placed one on top of the other. So what if you select these three objects and there is no equal space between these three, right? You can see that clearly. So here is one icon. I hope you can see it. Here one icon comes that basically means tidy up. Okay. So what this is going to do is, see, so in this way you can use that also, and also you can use this option also. So see, distribute vertical spacing. So if you click on this one, this is going to distribute, make uh, the vertical space between these three objects equal. See, this is how, like, on one click you can do this thing. You don't have to manually make the spacings equal. So this is how you can use the vertical spacing. Okay. Now if I come to this frame, then you see that these three objects are placed horizontally, right? So here you see that this icon has come, right? So anything you can do is, like, this icon, basically this is the tidy up. Okay, here there is a tidy up option. So the same thing it will do. This is going to distribute the horizontal space between these three objects. Okay, and also you can do this in in another way. For example, you click on this drop down and then just click on the distribute horizontal spacing. That's it. So this is how you can work with the distribution options also. Okay, and here if I see that here I have created a button here. Okay, just a rectangle, and um, then I have this text. So what I want is, I don't want this text to move around the frame. Like when I click on this alignment options, I want this text, with respect to this button, must be placed right at the center. Okay, how am I going to do this with the help of this alignment options? So first of all, click on this, click on this text. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this one, this object here. Okay, this button, and then I'm going to first of all align, click on this one, align vertical centers. What this is going to do is, but the text will be vertically in center. Okay, then I'm going to click on this one. See, now my text is perfectly aligned right at the center of the button. Okay, this is how you can use these options here. Okay, so now if I see here, okay, so you can see that these are not properly aligned. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to select all these objects here, and once you select all these objects here, you're going to get this one, okay, this option here. Okay, what, see, the same thing it means is tidy up. This is basically going to help you organize the thing. Like, these objects are very messy right now, so this is going to clean up the space by organizing the objects. Okay, see, now if you check the spacings and all, okay, so let me tell you about these lines. You can see, right? So when I hover on this, so you can see that, see, when I click and drag on it, I can easily, at one go, I can I can edit the space. And if I click on this one, for example, I clicked only on this one, but what this is going to do is, um, I can edit the horizontal spacing also between these objects. Okay, so this is how you work on, and you can see this circles also right here. So this basically, if you click on this one, and yeah, see what has happened here is, I can just exchange the place, like I can replace one object with the other. Okay, I want to place this object in place of this one. So I'm going to click on this circle and then going to drag on the other uh, on the wherever I want to place it, I can place it there. So this is how you can work with this. So this is it for this video, and thank you so much for watching. And if you have got any doubt, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.